Guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ife, if you didn't know. Anyway, so this morning I'm heading to the train station. It's almost 7 o'clock and I want to take the 8 a.m. train because I want to get home early. I'm going home. I'm going to Abeokuta for the holidays, and I heard that the train stops over at Abeokuta, so, and I've never been, so why not? I'm using the train. The train leaves at 8 a.m., 12 p.m. and 4 p.m. but I want to use the 8 a.m. one because first of all I want to get home early, and second of all my mom challenged me. She said, "Iwo, oh, legit, Jare soon." Those were her words, and I just want to show her that is a lie. I can be early, I can be on time, and I'm gonna be on time. So yeah, and of course I'm taking you guys with me because y'all are my babies. And yeah, so I'm going to take you guys everything, how I get the tickets. I'm already at Yaba Safe, close to the place because I'm going to the train station in Yaba. So see you guys when I'm there. I can't kiss you people because my second hand is in use. The lighting is not great. Can you see? So yeah, bye bye.
You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you should know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're the sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. Now I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow.
Guys, the train ticket is free, I think till January or something, because it's holiday period, and because of that the whole world is here to enter train. First of all, the ticket for 8 a.m. is sold out, and I got here at 7 p.m. on the dot. Sorry, I got here at 7 a.m. on the dot, and the ticket finished. But they said there's still ticket for 12, but they are going to start selling, no sorry, not selling, giving it out at 10. And I'm already here and it's just past 7. But I'm going to wait, Sha. I'm not going to back down. This is a challenge. I'm not going to back down because the Ife in me is about to just turn back and go to the park and go and enter cab. But then, no, I will take this train, even if it's just once, because I don't know when next I'm going to go to Abeokuta after January. So, and I don't know if I'll have time for this adventure. So it's better I do it now. So yes, we're gonna be waiting at the train station. I don't know what I'm going to do because it's going to be a battle. I know how Nigeria is now. Yeah, also the crowd that was there. So yes, there's one woman that I've already looked at. I've already tried to make friends with her, and she looks like a fighter. So when she's running to the front, maybe I'll just, you know, run with her. But I don't know, Sha. I don't know if I have a fight in me. Let's see, Sha. If I'm unable to get a ticket for the 12 o'clock one by 10, then I'll just take a cab to the park and go and enter cab. But if I'm able to get that ticket, if I'm able to fight and battle, because it seems like a battle, if I show you guys the crowd, somebody at the train station said I shouldn't make videos, so that's why I can't go there again to go and make videos. One security man. So yeah, we're waiting till 10 because they said they're going to start sharing the ticket by 10. But I think I'll go back there maybe like 8:30 to go and be close to the entrance to start the battle. You know, you get me? But yeah, I just said I should update you guys. There's no change. I just pray that the train is not jam-packed, because that would be worse. I know there's a micron outside. Hey guys, this is what they gave us as ticket too. I think because it's free, so they're just giving numbers. But I got one. I use my skills, because me, I cannot come and be on the line. See the line? I'm so long, and I was at the back. I started told the guy that he should hold my line, and I went to the front. I was just standing there, I was just looking. Be on the queue, you know how those Nigerians. I said, I'm on the queue. They moved me. I'm sure I got 2 tickets. Praise God. Number 54. Hey, it's not easy. I come to carry my load now. I'm going to Abeokuta by train. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No matter how far, if life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. No, best part is the sunrise, yeah, and those brown eyes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're the water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. No, you're the sunshine on my life.
Guys, let me wear my foot. So I'm here at the waiting room now, and I guess we're going to be waiting here till 10 when the train starts boarding. So at least it's better than waiting outside, because here you can sit, and there are actually a lot of seats, but I don't even think the seats will be enough for the crowd that is outside. But yeah, let's see, let's wait and see. I finally found the lady, and I guess we're gonna be throwing parties, but she's with her family now. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit down here and watch Suits, and I'll talk to you guys when there's something to talk about, you know. But yeah, that's it for now. Let me show you guys the waiting room. I don't want anybody to come and say I'm making videos of going, but yeah, this is the waiting room. It's quite big, but yeah. Bye bye.
I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the
paper that we're given was just to secure a spot. So we just went to get the ticket. Now this is the ticket. I think because it's free and there are a lot of people, they try to cut crowd by giving the papers earlier in the morning. So thank God I got there early in the morning for me to be able to get. And because like my number was 54, it was one of the small numbers. According to the guy that was sharing the ticket, I was able to get ticket sharp. This is it. Abeokuta. So we still have to wait because the train is not here yet. So we're back to waiting again. I'm going to wait for the train to get here, and I think it's like 9 something. Let me check the time. 9 o'clock. I'm not sure if the train is going to board by 10 or 12. But let's see sharp. But it's 9 now, and I have my ticket, so we're waiting, Sha. I'm here. I'm waiting. When there's anything else, I'll let you guys know. So for now, stay peaceful.
Best part, oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Oh, if you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Oh, if you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you?
6 7. You can enter. 6 7 is the next coach. 6 is here. Yes, 7 is the next coach. 6,
So we're in the train now. We haven't moved yet. So we are just seated and waiting for the train to leave. There's my seat. I'm quite close to the entrance, so that's good because I'm gonna be dropping off in Abeokuta. Yeah, I'll move after back. Guys, we have landed and we are at Abeokuta now. They named the train station after Wole Soyinka. So in case you are coming to Abeokuta and you don't know where the Abeokuta stops, once you hear passengers, we are arriving at Wole Soyinka station, Professor Wole Soyinka station. Just know that you are at the right place. So yeah, I've reached and I'm looking for a cab now that will take me home. I saw one at the entrance. Yes, no, car.
Where are you going?
Okay, you can take me back to NNPC, right?
That's what I'm saying.
Are you bike?
I'm a bike man.
Okay, you can take me to NNPC.
Car. The price on the road, so it's bike.
They don't want to take me to Abeokuta, so from NNPC I'll see Abeokuta.
Let me take you to Abeokuta.
No, I can't take bike to Abeokuta. Bike to NNPC. Yeah. No problem. Alright guys, so I got a cab man when I came out, but he was overcharging me, wanted to take me 5k to my house, something that is how much. Hold on, kill my one being COVID 3. Yeah, no matter 17. Yeah. So what's the problem? So the man surprised me because Abeokuta is quite far, but even at that, it's not that expensive. So I'll just take a bike to where I usually take the cabs normally, which is our NMPC, then from there to my house. So see y'all later. So I'm home now and we have come to the end of this video. I'm so tired, so I don't even care what is on my head and how I look. I just want to wrap up this video and go and sleep. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I believe I took you guys through everything. So for those of you wondering, because I was wondering as well if I could take a train from Lagos to Abeokuta. I didn't know, but now I know, and now you all also know. So the train that goes to Ibadan stops in different places. It has a stop at Agege where it picks more passengers, but it starts from Yaba, the Yaba train station. Stops at Agege. Then after that, it stopped at one other place that I did not really announce. Then it stops at Kwakwa. So for people going to Kwakwa is on the way to Abeokuta as well. Then it stops at Abeokuta, that's the Wole Soyinka station. Then it continues on and on to Ibadan. I'm really tired because I didn't expect that I was going to stay that long at the train station. I was thinking I could go with the 8 a.m. train. But yeah, I think that's the end of this video. It was a nice ride. The train was decent, really decent. It was clean, AC, everything. Like, it was comfortable, and they abided by all the rules. They actually placed us according to numbers. They gave us tickets according to numbers. There was no ojoro, magongo. The only place that the ojoro and the magomago was in was getting the number, because you know how people cut lines. I am one of them. I cut line today. I have to be a sharp girl, you understand what I mean? So but that's it. And what else? That's it, sha. Just use the train. Is nice. I prefer it, sha, to all these cabs that I take, because most of the cabs that come to Abeokuta, except if you are taking like a proper cab man. But if you're going to the park to get a cab, most of them don't have AC. They are just all the Sienna cabs, and it's not comfortable, dust on everything. But this one was really calm, it was really cool. Yeah, so I'm wrapping up this video right now because I'm tired and I'm going to sleep. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. You all should not forget to subscribe, like this video, and let me know if you want me to put you guys on things and make more videos like this for you. And also don't forget to subscribe. I don't have the energy to beg today, but please just know that I'm a humble fellow and I'm begging you to subscribe. So yeah, have a nice life and have a nice holiday. I love you guys. Bye bye.